What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're flying during the pandemic and it's pretty different. Today we're flying from Raleigh-Durham to Philadelphia International Airport. Like always, let's get our travel on. Today's aircraft taking us up to Philly is an E-175. Right when I sat down, I began to wipe down my seat. I haven't been on a flight since February the 26th of 2020, and I cannot explain how great it feels to get back in an airplane. Although travel has changed quite a bit, I'm still super excited. Now for the fun part, the takeoff. Here's the message the flight attendants gave to us about face coverings.
Customers will wear face coverings for the duration of the flight. Wearing your face covering helps protect you and those around you and also demonstrates consideration to others while traveling. While it is acceptable to remove the face covering when eating or drinking, you must wear your face covering at all other times during the flight. If you are unwilling to follow this requirement, you may not be allowed to fly with us in the future. In the event oxygen mask dropped from an overhead compartment, remove any face covering prior to placing the mask over your nose and mouth.
Today I will be flying first class, sitting in seat 3F. This seat has pretty good leg room. If you look down to the left, you'll find a little table that gets pulled out of the armrest. Now to your right is your seat recline button, and your tray table is located in the armrest. The seats on this aircraft are a little bit old, I would say. To recline the seat, you just press the button. The headrests are adjustable, and there's pretty good recline. To access American Airlines in-flight entertainment, you connect to the Wi-Fi and type in AA in-flight or GoGo in-flight, depending on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. To get to the entertainment page, you click the Watch Now button. Then it'll bring up all the movies that American has in their database. Then you'll see all the movies. Once you find your movie, you can simply click on it and click the Watch Now button. Due to the pandemic, drinks are by request only. To access your tray table, you simply lift up the armrest and then it comes out. I had a little bit of trouble, but it was okay. You can unfold it and it's a very nice, big, wide table. In first class, the flight attendant should ask you if you would like a drink, but in the main cabin, like I said earlier, you have to ask for it. On this flight, I got some Pringles and ginger ale, and then I sat back and watched a movie. I wanted to take this time to talk a little bit about flying during the pandemic. The flight was wide open, and you can tell the travel has changed a lot. On board American Airlines, you are required to wear a face covering. In the airports, it is also required. The beverage service has changed a lot too. Drinks are by request only, and there's no food. I know the travel industry is being hit hard, and you probably know that too. That's why I want to ask everybody to be respectful of the pilots and the crew and follow all the airlines' rules that they have put into place to help protect us from this virus. Now I'm going to explain why the aircraft did not move for the next few seconds. Some truck was parked in the safety zone at our gate. The person locked it, took the keys, and left. The pilots, ATC, and ground tried to find the guy, but no one could. So I cut the footage because it took like 10 minutes to get another gate, even though we took the one right next to the original one. It was kind of a mess, but we got it all figured out. I would like to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe with notifications, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.